Hello guys, welcome to a new tutorial with the Nubian Tech Tips. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download Process Lasso for free, the free version of Process Lasso. As you can see, I am in the official website for Process Lasso. I'm gonna download the free version, and you can see that the free version of Process Lasso offers a lot of features like core propellants technology, performance mode, idle saver to manage power plants during an activity. You can see that there is a lot of features that are within the free version. So we're gonna download and install Process Lasso free version. We're gonna click on download for free right here. You're gonna press on apps, save. After that, we're gonna left click on the installation. You're gonna press on yes, press on OK, press on I agree, press on next, press on install. So that's it, guys. That's how you install Process Lasso. You can see that there is a lot of feature like propellants mode, smart trim, ideal saver. You can press on enable ideal saver, press on OK. There's a lot of features that are actually available in this free version. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching and see you later.